How to manage who can see your followers on your timeline on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna show you how to manage who can see your followers on your timeline on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and now go down, and here you will find this one, followers and public content, and now click on this one. Here you can manage who can see your followers on your timeline. You can make it just for your friends or only for you, and that's how to manage who can see your followers on your timeline on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.